Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Translate on your phone or browser and selecting languages. This gets the system ready. Make sure the microphone permission is granted so audio can be captured, and choose whether you want conversation mode versus single-phrase translation. Once done, tap the microphone icon to begin speaking, speak clearly, and at a steady pace so the recognizer can parse words. You'll hear a spoken translation if TTS is active. This immediate feedback helps you correct pronunciation and timing as you proceed. You now focus on execution. Choose conversation mode for real-time back and forth or record for a single phrase. Adjust auto-detect if you're unsure of the source language so recognition is automatic. Enable speech output so you hear translations aloud. Speak in natural sentences and pause briefly between phrases to let the app process. If background noise interferes, move closer to the microphone or use headphones with a mic. Make sure to switch input methods if a sentence is misrecognized, then edit the text manually. You finish by replaying the translated audio and confirming meaning. Tap the speaker icon to listen again and compare with the original. If the translation is off, edit the transcribed text or re-record shorter, clearer segments so the model parses context better. Once satisfied, share or copy the translation. If things go wrong, make sure your microphone and app permissions are enabled, test with a different network, and clear cache or restart the app. These steps often resolve recognition and TTS failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.